Okay, so Microsoft just released a new update to its own browser, which is Microsoft Edge, and apparently now you can create some AI images and videos directly when you're typing the prompt or the description on the address bar. Now, technically, this is not a new feature because previously we have a tool called Bing Image Creator, something that I have covered on my channel, and essentially you can use this tool from Microsoft to generate images and even videos completely for free. And the best part is that you can you will get some credits every single day. So in theory, you can create some videos every day completely for free. Now it is just becoming a bit easier because you can just write the prompt directly when you're typing the keyword or the description on the address bar. Now to get this feature, you have to update the browser to the latest version, and to do that you can navigate to this menu and then click settings and then go to about Microsoft Edge, and then you can just wait for the browser to be updated. And once it's updated, you can restart the browser and then you can start typing some keyword on the address bar, and then you can start creating a picture or a video. So let me give you one example. Here, I'm going to type something like, please generate a picture of a robot riding a horse carriage. Okay, so that's my prompt. Let's hit enter, and of course it is using the Bing browser, the Bing search engine. And if you scroll down a bit, you'll see that there's this message telling you that you have to agree on the terms. Just click agree and create, and it will start generating the picture from now on. And let me just scroll down again. Just wait for a few more seconds. I believe it is using the DALL-E 3 model because the model is quite affordable, it is fast, and it is simple. And yeah, this is the result. It's pretty good. And if you're not quite happy with this result, you can click edit prompt and then modify the prompt, or you can also specify that you want to use a more advanced model, which is GPT-4o, and click regenerate. Now there is a twist here, because even though Microsoft says that it is the only browser that allows you to create or have a feature of integrated image and video creation, it is actually possible to use Google Chrome or basically any browser to enjoy this new feature when you're searching using Bing. And that's the keyword here. You have to use bing.com to be able to enjoy this new feature. So let me just give you one quick example using Google Chrome. I'm going to open my Chrome browser, and if I go to bing.com, I can still type something like, please generate a picture of a horse riding a car. Okay, just wait for it. Hit enter, and now I can see the same thing again. So this is a feature that is not exclusive to Microsoft Edge, even though on the release page it says that this feature is the only it only exists in Microsoft Edge, but apparently you can still get the same thing or the same feature even on a different browser as long as you're using bing.com. Now let's go back to the Edge version because there is a picture that's still being created, and there you go. So this is the picture. You can open it and you can customize, you can download or share or save it to your account. So that's basically a new feature that lets you create images and videos using either Microsoft Edge or maybe Google Chrome, as long as you're using the bing.com website. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.